Hey guys, it's the dude with the solace chop. We are working today on the Honda CRX. It has a bad engine. Well, it's missing one piston, so it's running on 3 right now. So today we're going to be doing a H22, well H2B swap on it. And right now we're going to do the plates first and adapt the transmission, and then I have to do a little bit of grinding on the engine so the driveline boot, the axle boot, doesn't hit. And I'll be showing you how you guys do that process and also how to remove the engine. Well, let's get started. Okay, so you guys can see, well, this is the back of the engine. Obviously I do gotta do little things to it besides putting the plate and then the flywheel and the clutch. I replaced the rear main seal because I mean it's already there, so let's do that. I also got to replace the sensor because it's broken. I don't know what sensor it is, but I'll go look into online and stuff. But also got to do deletes on the EGR and stuff like that, so get rid of that stuff. I am gonna do the honing. I've seen a couple of YouTube videos how to do the honing on the intake manifold. I'm gonna do that, and I'm just waiting on the injectors because the ones that are on right now I can't use them because the harness that I got, it's for high end dependency injectors. But besides that, we'll be going through everything, try to go slow and show you guys the process because I'm also new to this swap, so I've only done single cam swaps. So we're going to be doing this one and we're going to go through the process. Might make a couple mistakes, but we'll go through it together, guys. So this is the flywheel spacer. It's pretty simple to install. Goes like that. So this is the kit. I got it from a guy from Facebook. He was selling it because they didn't use it much. It's from Evolution. You can see right there. You can get them from I think it's swapshop.com. I think that's where you can buy them. That's where I'm using the instructions also to install this. And I have to shave this section off right here. Oh, this pretty much, especially that, and gotta go a little bit deep on this side. I also installed already the delete plates and did a, where is it, right here. I took off the hydraulic tensioner and put a manual tensioner on. I do have to tighten down the valve cover, but I'm gonna have to take it off so I can cut this part off because just because I want to. I think I'm gonna be using the original pulley. I still don't know, it's over there, but that's if I want to keep the AC. I do want to have the AC on my CRX, but I don't know if I am gonna do it or not. I'm still thinking about it. And that's about it. We're gonna just see how it goes. I probably have to put it back on the engine stand to do the grinding on this side, so I'm gonna probably do that right now again. Well, I can't do much because I don't have the plate that goes here, so I have to order that. That won't be here until next week. Okay, so I removed the intake manifold, so it's not really hard. I mean, just they're 12mm nuts. I also removed the studs. That's what took the longest, pretty much, because I'm going to clean out the gasket material off with this pretty little cool little brush. But here's the intake manifold. It's not that hard. Well, remove the injectors first. 10mm nuts pretty much first, and then I'll remove them. That's pretty much it. Then I'm just gonna clean it out, and then I'm gonna take this apart, remove these out, and cut the holes, and then hone whatever and smooth it down. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, ask questions, dislike. It's your choice, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like.